Okay then guys, so welcome back to another video on the Finance Forest YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a look into Bitcoin and just a couple of things that have been announced over the last couple of days and what potentially I think the crypto market could see with Bitcoin over the due course of this year. So the overall crypto market is currently sat at 2.25 trillion and it's got an increase of 0.77% over the last 24 hours. It's been very interesting to see how steadily the market has begun over the last couple of days at the beginning of 2022. As I've explained previously, throughout the festive season towards the beginning of every year, we do tend to see the market have a bit of a downfall due to the festive season and people selling their crypto to gain a better cash flow within their personal finances. This does have a detrimental effect on the prices of cryptocurrency, but we should start seeing over the next 48 hours a boost within the market. We have seen today that Ethereum is currently up 1.78%, but hopefully we can start seeing the Ethereum price get over $4,000 and the Bitcoin price getting over the $50,000 mark pretty soon. So over the last couple of days, a couple of different things have been announced with Bitcoin, and I just wanted to get into the depths with you regarding that. So the founder of the crypto platform Nexo, the largest industry figure to predict Bitcoin will reach six figures this year. So Anthony Trenchev told CNBC that the price of $100,000 still remains in play for 2022, even though the analysts believed it would hit late in 2021. Now, he explained that every time investors and the broader community write off Bitcoin, it outperforms significantly. This has been the case in 2020 when it rallied up 1,000%, and in 2021 where it rallied 63%. He says that he's quite bullish on Bitcoin. So 2020, it went up 1,000%, which was absolutely insane. And then even still, with the price being as large as it was able to go up 63%. So, I mean, over the last 2 years, there's been some really, really good profits made with Bitcoin. The price has just increased and increased and increased so much. And he is right in what he's saying. With Bitcoin being the largest crypto, people can doubt it a lot. And I think, the reason why it is the largest crypto is because people doubt it too much, and it does end up being the top dog. It does end up being the biggest crypto out there. So another thing that has happened is the president, so Al Saveda, the president of, I don't know what he's actually the president for, sorry. But essentially, he was claiming that there will be a huge surprise in April at the crypto conference he's attending in Miami. Bitcoin 2022 is the successor to the event, and he announced his intention to push through the legalization to make Bitcoin legal tender in the Central American country. So, I mean, with this, it just goes to the point of, in the future, will cryptocurrency be the currency that everybody use? Will it replace money? Will it replace, GDP, USD, AUD, things like that? And there's just so much support around the crypto market at the moment. We've even got people like Melanie Trump, who is celebrating the Bitcoin anniversary. And the Trump family are really, really rich. The first former lady noted that Bitcoin's market cap is over 1 trillion and took the opportunity to plug her own recently launched NFT with the hashtag Melanie NFT. Her first offering on the NFT platform was a digital watercolor painting of her own eyes called Melanie's Vision. So as you can see, even with the NFT space and the metaverse, the crypto market, it seems to be taking such a massive, massive impact within the financial market, and everybody is putting their money into crypto rather than putting their money into a bank. You're lucky to even get 1% from a bank at this moment in time, a return on your investment, you can get massive amounts of return from cryptocurrency. I mean, it's just absolutely unbelievable. 2021 was definitely a good year for crypto. There's no doubt about it. I don't think anybody would dispute that. But we're hoping for the same again this year. But it seems to me as if we've got a lot of influential people behind the crypto market, and I just really do hope that it carries on, because we need that support to maintain the momentum. So just before we end today's video, I want to show you a video. Not going to show you too much because it's not my video, but it's a really interesting video that I want you guys to see. So I'm just going to mute myself while I play this to you now, and I want to know your opinions down in the comments.
Every time that investors and the broader community writes off Bitcoin, it outperforms significantly. This has been the case in 2020 when it rallied close to 1,000%. This year, on top of that, it rallied another 63%. I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's going to reach 100K this year, probably by the middle of it. And for two simple reasons. We see institutional adoptions persevere, quietly companies building out their treasuries, filling it with Bitcoin, and also the broader team.
Okay, so let me know what your thoughts are on that down in the comments below. Really, really bullish on Bitcoin, if I'm honest. I think it'd be interesting. I think $100,000 is quite it's quite an optimistic price prediction for the mid 2022. I think if we're lucky, we're looking at around $75,000. But who knows? I think $100,000 would be more of an end of year price prediction rather than a mid. I personally think we're looking at $60,000 to $70,000 mid 2022. Only time will tell. But essentially, anything could happen. Nobody really knows what is going to happen. But that's all I've got for you today. If you did enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much for your time.